Debo irme.
Vamos, hombre, toca otra con mucha marcha.
Algo con mucha marcha.
Eso es.
Bien. Muy bien, esta pieza es antigua. Pero... bueno, digamos que es antigua de donde yo vengo. Bien, chicos, escuchad. Se trata de un riff en sí. Vigilad los cambios y no os perdáis.
Cause I ain't even really fucking with clocks and shit. And when it comes around, they call me an activist. Launch, bring me back to shit. From sunrise to sunset, calendar is all set. Down to the minute, beginning your day at the office. Meetings and appointments, feeling like a pointless. Get on, cheer up a little, about to see your boyfriend. He couldn't make it, you a little disappointed and stressed. But next you start sipping on the poison from the hourglass, yet another hour passing. You ain't even sleeping, this the qualified power naps. This ain't like you, Mr. Type to invest your time wisely and make Mr. Right too. Now you see right through your biggest illusion. Time is money and you're beginning to lose it. On the couch listening to music. Somebody's at the door but you ain't even moving. Clock's ticking 1 second at a time while you're checking out my rhyme sunsetting. But you spin a record one more time from sunrise to sunset. Sunrise and it's not how you planned it. You can't understand it. You've been hit by the time bandit. You're with me from sunrise to sunset. The sunrise, feel it spin another planet. Give me another minute. Promo waking 8 at time bandit. The morning after the night before. You've been through this procedure many times before. But this isn't just usual hangover. This is a Monday or a Tuesday and you're sober. Still, something ain't right. You're not at work, man, what happened last night? Starting to recall music and dancing, singing along with the Shlooky. It's chance like, hold up, baby, why you leaving so early? Hold up, maybe we can chill in no hurry. Hold up, people, listen up, you ain't heard me. Time is all we really have. So quickly, let's set the party off like it's the birthdays of all people born again with the purpose to find out what's truly important. Play the music all night to the beautiful morning. Come up, you see the sunrise, the sunset, the sunrise, and it's not how you plan it. You can't understand it. You've been hit by the time bandit. You with me from sunrise to sunset. The sunrise, feel it spin another planet. Give me another minute. Promo waking 8 a time bandit. And when it comes to time, they call me an optimist. Cause I ain't even really fucking with clocks and shit. And when it comes to rhymes, they call me an activist. Large, bring me back to shit. From sunrise to sunset, some die and some get another moment in time just to die next. So if you're really feeling like you got a million minutes to spend on a billion idiot things that you ain't needing to live, and I ain't kidding, you're kidding. Somebody literally been breaking you in, and it's making you think life ain't truly a blessing with school sensation. And I'm the coolest professor with lesson. Hey, listen, hey, you don't know the machinery promo. The time bandit, man, I'm spoiling the scenery. So next time there's an unjust authority trying to take advantage of you, tell them with authority. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. I'ma just chill the fuck up, what you gon' do? Kill me? From sunrise to sunset. Sunrise by the spinning of the planet. It's not how you planned it, but we gon' live on another minute. The sunrise, the sunset, the sunrise. from sunrise, sunset, every day, every night, everywhere, all over the world. Come on, all over the world.
Esas treses. ¿Qué pasa? ¡Mica!
Hola, Vicente. Ya puedes dejar de acercarme la cámara.
No, hombre, no. La cámara de los cojones aún no te la he acercado. ¡Ay!
¿Quién ha sido? Podríamos conectar el micrófono y todo, ¿no? Me encantaría.
Guarda la puerta encasillada.